तेलंगाना के वज़ीर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी व हुक्मरान जमात टीआरएस के कारगुजार सदर तारक रमा राव ने मरकज़ की मोदी ज़ेर क़यादत बीजेपी हुकूमत पर शदीद नुक्ताचीनी के सिलसिले को जारी रखते हुए कहा कि मुल्क की मईशत पर कोविड-19 वबा से पहले ही असर पड़ा। उन्होंने ताजरों के साथ होशियार हैदराबाद प्रोग्राम से खिताब करते हुए कहा कि माशी सुस्त रवि का आगाज लॉकडाउन के ऐलान से बहुत पहले ही हो गया था। लॉकडाउन में मुसलसल 8 से माही सुस्त रवि दर्ज की गई, जिसके नतीजे में माशी इन्हितात दर्ज किया गया।
I recollect, Mr. K.T. Ramarao, you work around the clock since the formation of Telangana in 2014, ensuring that the people of Telangana were not left wanting for anything, both on the social and economic front. While the elders are handling affairs of the state and politics, you worked tirelessly to bring the change to the city of Hyderabad and bring the rest of the state up to the speed with the times, introducing them to entrepreneurship, encouraging small industries. My query, the testing times of COVID-19, the lockdown has created a standstill for business across all the sizes of establishments. You name it, what kind of support these business expect from the government, be it a small, medium and the large.
Can you check the audio, please?
Firstly, good afternoon to all of you, and I would like to thank VBN for giving us this opportunity, this forum, this podium to talk to all of you. Thank you very much. Thank you. To both Shiv and Kaushik, I think you go by MRD, is it? Yeah. MRD and Kaushik, thank you. Thank you for having me here, and thank you for the title. I really like it. Calling it Hushar Hyderabad is basically awakening the senses in every Hyderabad, every Hyderabadi, that you have to think before you get inked. So thank you very much for that as well. So going back to COVID, can I speak in Telugu if that's okay?
Yes, please.
Or do you want me to
Here
speak in
we have
English?
a combination of North, South Indian business community.
Okay, how many of you guys don't understand Telugu? Yeah, because I also have to speak to. कितने लोग हैं जो तेलुगु नहीं समझते हैं? अच्छा, कुछ लोग हैं, तो मैं शायद इंग्लिश में और हिंदी में बात कर लूँ फिर. In fact, when COVID, came into our state in March, and then the lockdown, and subsequently, the shutdown of the entire city, and then followed by, the lull in business, which has affected the entire business community, and not only business community. In fact, if you think about it, आज कोविड ने दुनिया में किसी को नहीं छोड़ा. मतलब every government has been affected, every country has been affected, every individual has been affected, every institution has been affected, and every business has been affected at some level or another. So, as part of our efforts, we've done a few things which I think have helped, but I think there's still a lot more to be done. The few things that we've done, for example, Honorable Chief Minister announced yesterday, or in fact day before yesterday, that for the period, the lockdown period, for the 6 months, the previous 6 months that is, the power charges will be actual, demand charges and not, as they were in the past. So that's one of the things I think which offered a bit of a succor and a bit of relief for the business community. Secondly, we also have ensured, even during the lockdown, that any institution that had to run, like which had mission critical business activity like life sciences, like pharmaceuticals, etc., etc., they were also given all kinds of passes, and even the supply chain that kind of supplies, to the raw material or the finished goods, in terms of logistics, they were also given all kinds of logistical support by the government. Besides these two things, I think in the lockdown period, a basic subsistence package has been given to all the industrial workers, everybody who's BPL. They have been supported. In fact, I am delighted that even the business houses had come together in a big way and have supported the state. A lot of people have contributed, in fact, to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. In fact, business houses have come forward also and helped on their own. Several NGOs which have contributed in kind and in cash to the poorest of the poor. So on the whole, I think we fought this COVID as a humanity together, both governments, individuals, institutions, NGOs, etc. But the way forward, Government of India and state governments in the country, we have to start infusing money into economic activity. We have to start infusing money into creation of infrastructure. We have to pump in money to ensure that economic activity revives quickly. Only then, every single business, that is in the whole food chain can start again, on the path of recovery. Now, what do I mean exactly? John F. Kennedy had said very famously at one point, it said, America